In a small town, a woman named Clara stumbles upon a dusty typewriter in her attic. This forgotten relic captures her imagination with its silent promise of untold stories. Intrigued, Clara sits down to type out her thoughts and dreams, finding a newfound passion in writing. With each click of the keys, her ordinary life begins to transform, as does the community around her, who are inspired to pursue their own creative paths. Soon, these stories knit the community together, bringing hope and unity. What forgotten passions might you rediscover that could inspire both yourself and those around you?